Guys, it's Precious and I'm back with my friend Brian, and he is going to make another fall inspired drink, the Orchard. All right, Brian, you ready? Let's go.
Hey guys, so for the Orchard, we're using our Georgia seasonal gin made out of Big Creek Distillery in Dahlonega, and then lemon juice, apple cider, and a honey simple. All right, starting off, we're gonna add our Georgia seasonal gin, and we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of that. Next, we're gonna add 2 ounces of apple cider. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And then next for our honey simple, it's really easy to make. It's just a 2-to-1 ratio of water to honey, and you just wanna bring that to a boil and then let it sit. And so we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of that. Before we shake, we're just gonna rim the glass in cinnamon and sugar, like so. Now we add ice to the shaker, and then we're gonna shake that. Then last but not least, we're gonna garnish that with a cinnamon stick. And this is a dehydrated apple slice, but you can just use a regular apple slice. And then there you have the Orchard. Once you get done with your apple picking, go ahead, get in the kitchen, and make yourself an Orchard.